Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with some Umburry coins here with me, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of these bad boys. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? So guys, we have some pretty cool coins going on over here, and there's different materials and different patterns. We're gonna just check them out real quick. This is the stipple, and so everyone will have like a name for the pattern, and on the inside, especially in the latest production, you're gonna be able to check the material. In this case is brass. So stipple is brass. This is the zirc, and it's polished, and ZR are the letters on the inside. This is the Icarus, as you can see. Icarus was here like flying and tried to reach the sun, and that's bronze, BZ. That's pretty cool. And this is the Poseidon one, and of course it's bronze as well. That's a Timascus one. There's no indication of the material, but you can pretty much tell that this is the Fade Timascus, and this is the Taken. And I believe this is also bronze, and it has a pretty sick carving going on over here. So there's something to note about this guy. This is designed by John Ship, and it's just fantastic artwork. Really cool. You see the guy being abducted by the aliens after when he went in the woods and camped and had like some fire. That's a nice axe, and he's gone. He's gone to a better place probably. And on the back you have the alien that abducted the dude, and the Umburry logo, and it's pretty deep, so that's a really cool one. And you got these two artworks designed by Tyler Davis, which is, these are just fantastic. You can tell it's from the same person. And it's the level of the minute detail going on is just ridiculous. Like the level of laser engraving I think you can achieve, it's out of this world. Look at that. I mean, the detail is fantastic. And check this one. I mean, there's a dude right there. That's Poseidon, which is separating the waters. Like, look at that. How detailed is this? And on this side, it's maybe a little bit hard to see the beginning, but you have like this guy riding this fish. It's the super dangerous fish with the light on the head to lure other fish to get eaten. And it says Audentes fortuna juvat, which is Latin and means that luck is helping the people that act with audacity. So audacity helps, luck helps the audacity of the people. I don't know how to translate, but I remember from my Latin that that's about it. And this is the Poseidon one. So really cool haptic coins, guys. They are all haptic coins, so they do a slightly different sound. This is a little bit louder, the zirc. This is higher pitch. See? This one, similar because the material is the same. That's the Timascus. And it's kind of like almost inaudible. Very mellow and smooth. And this is the loudest because it's the biggest, not because of the material. So when you open it, when you rotate this guy, it's gonna tend to repel. And then when you keep rotating, it's just gonna snap in place and click and make this beautiful sound. And at the same time, it's going to give you like a haptic feedback because there's magnets attracting, repelling each other. And the sound, it's going to be all like going, confluating in like through your hand and going directly to hit your brain with some really pleasant sensation, because you know that this is good for your hands, for your soul, is good for everything. And it's really pleasant to fidget with as you are waiting in line, as you are I don't know, something, just standing somewhere in the post office, or waiting to pay, or waiting to do something, or maybe even just watching a movie, and so you can be quiet, but at the same time being enjoying this hapticness, feeling that it's coming out from these fidget toys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.